Hi everyone, my name's Ethan. I'm Product Marketing Specialist here at Premio, and I'm very excited to be at Automate 2025, one of the nation's leading trade show in industrial automation and robotics. Here we have a product demo showcasing real-time defect detection as well as person recognition. So in the green box here, you can see that we're detecting the person and recognizing the person, while the yellow lines show pose estimation. So you're able to see where they are, what kind of limbs are moving, etc. And all of this is being powered on premises in real time with our RCO 6000 RPL series. This is an x86 AI inference computer that is utilizing a 13th gen Intel Core processor as well as an NVIDIA GPU. And that's really what's powering all these complex AI workloads. Also, for I/O connectivity, we have Edge Boost technology. With Edge Boost I/O, you're able to meet different types of demands such as LAN, PoE support, M.2 or even M12 connectivity, and even performance acceleration for GPU, PCIe, or even NVMe storage. For durability, the RCO 6000 is built rugged, built ready. So you're able to have wide operating temperatures, power input ranges, as well as military shock and vibration for different types of deployments on the factory floor. Also, it's UL listed, meaning that it's been pre-certified through safety standards certifications to meet all types of demands. If you want to learn more about this demo or even see us at Automate, come check us out at booth 1401 and get in touch with one of our rugged edge experts.